Welcome. This guide explains how to use Waze in your Tesla Model 3 to enhance your driving experience. Waze, a crowdsourced navigation app, provides real-time traffic updates, speed trap alerts, and optimized routes. While Tesla has its own navigation, Waze offers supplementary driver-sourced data for improved awareness. As of December 2025, you can integrate Waze via Android Auto or Apple CarPlay to complement Tesla's autopilot features. We will explore how to leverage these tools together. To get started, you'll need to connect your smartphone to your Tesla. For Android users, pair your phone via Bluetooth or USB and enable Android Auto in the Tesla's settings. For iPhone users, use Apple CarPlay. Ensure phone mirroring is enabled. Once connected, launch Waze on your phone, and it will appear on the Tesla's 15-inch central screen. Remember that as of late 2025, full autopilot engagement still requires Tesla's native navigation. Waze's strength lies in its real-time traffic data, collected from millions of users. Each driver contributes GPS information that helps create live traffic maps across roads worldwide. The app uses GPS data from these users to identify traffic congestion, accidents, and road conditions. It then analyzes this information to suggest faster alternative routes, helping you avoid delays. In your Tesla Model 3, Waze integrates through Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, allowing it to display audible and visual alerts about traffic jams ahead. These notifications work even while using autopilot, keeping you informed without requiring manual intervention. Waze can also automatically reroute you around problem areas, potentially saving significant time on your commute by choosing the most efficient path based on current conditions. Another valuable feature of Waze is its crowdsourced reporting of speed traps, accidents, and other road hazards. Drivers worldwide contribute real-time updates about road conditions through the Waze app, creating a comprehensive network of hazard information. To enable these alerts, go into Waze's settings and ensure that notifications are turned on for speed cams and road hazards. This information can significantly improve your situational awareness and driving safety, helping you avoid potential dangers while driving. Tesla's built-in navigation is excellent for highway driving and long-distance trips, working seamlessly with autopilot for a smooth, hands-free experience. In contrast, Waze excels in urban areas and for shorter trips, where real-time data from other drivers helps navigate traffic and avoid hazards. Consider Waze for your daily commute or when exploring unfamiliar city streets. For highway routes and extended journeys, Tesla's navigation with autopilot integration is often preferable. Ultimately, experiment with both navigation systems to determine which one suits your driving style and route preferences best. Safety is paramount when using Waze in your Tesla Model 3. Always prioritize safe driving practices to avoid distractions and potential accidents. Waze is designed to integrate safely with your Tesla's interface. Alerts display as non-intrusive overlays on the touchscreen, allowing you to stay aware of traffic conditions without taking your eyes off the road for long periods. While Waze provides valuable information, never interact with the app manually while the vehicle is in motion. Touching the screen or entering data can create dangerous distractions. Always pull over to a safe, legal spot before making any adjustments to destinations or settings. When using Tesla's autopilot features, remember that the system can automatically respond to reroute suggestions from Waze. Make sure your navigation preferences in the Tesla settings are set to allow this integration, enabling safer, hands-free adjustments to your route based on real-time traffic data. The future of Waze and Tesla integration is promising. As Tesla's full self-driving software evolves, it may natively incorporate Waze-like data, reducing reliance on third-party apps. Waze's own development of AI-driven predictions, such as using historical data to improve ETA accuracy, this aligns with Tesla's machine learning focus. Expect closer integrations with vehicle operating systems and potentially EV-specific features in future updates. Real-world examples show how Waze enhances the Tesla Model 3 driving experience. Urban commuters in Los Angeles have saved significant time by avoiding rush hour congestion. On highways, such as in Germany, Waze data has improved navigation through construction zones, with 80% of users reporting better trip times. During emergencies like Hurricane Ida, Waze's flood alerts have prevented accidents by guiding Tesla owners safely. Tech analysts like John Carmack praise Waze granularity for local alerts, while Waze CTO Nir Erez sees potential for revolutionary connected driving. Statistics show Waze's 90% ETA accuracy in urban areas, with users saving an average of 12 minutes per trip and experiencing 20% fewer speed-related incidents when integrated with Tesla systems. By leveraging both Waze and Tesla systems, Model 3 drivers can enjoy a safer, more efficient, and informed driving experience.